Right, good afternoon everybody. This is Grant Kaplan speaking. I can say Grant instead of Grant Kaplan. This is take number 2. We are on Facebook Live and I'm very pleased that you're able to join us. I'm going to check on my computer screen to see that we are in fact on live. Let me have a look now and see how we go. Let me refresh my screen to see what's going on. Yes, it looks like we are on over there. Let's see how we're looking. Yes, I can see myself. Very nice indeed. Okay, good. So while we wait for people to come on, I'd like all of you to tell us that you are here. Give us some hearts, give us some likes, give us some kind of indication. We don't want any daggers, we don't want any guns, we don't want any mean things. We only want nice things. Show us that you love us, and we'll be certainly able to help you and to give you all the information that we're looking for. Of course, this is also an interactive session. If you're looking to get any questions answered, with pleasure, I'm happy to answer them during the process. I'll be looking at my computer screen from time to time, and we'll be happy to help you with that, of course, as well. As we go along, I'm going to give you some information about our trip to South Africa. I'm also going to be giving you some information about who we are and what we do. And of course, once again, it is interactive. Happy to help you, and we can certainly proceed to answer all your questions. Just very briefly about us. We're an immigration law office. We also do some international work, but we spend most of our time doing US immigration work. I have done this for the last 20 years. I'm a practicing attorney in the United States. I'm also a practicing attorney in South Africa, and we're able to have both bases covered. We cover all aspects of immigration, although we try and focus specifically on business-related visas, and we'll cover everything, including those who have US fiancés, US spouses, students who have an accredited school that they can attend, professional workers who are looking to come and work in the United States, who have a confirmed job offer. Just want to say hello to some of the guys that have tuned in already. Hello Hussein, how are you doing, Hussein? Looking forward to answer your questions, and everybody else who may be watching. Now, as I've indicated, we cover a full spectrum of immigration over here. We're available 24 hours a day for removal-based cases and so on. But in this particular discussion, we're going to be talking about South Africa. We will be coming to South Africa during the last week of March, specifically March 26 to March 31. We'll be going to Cape Town, Durban and Johannesburg. We will be seeing people that we pre-qualify, and we'll talk about that in a moment, on a one-on-one basis. We're going to go through all of your options that you may have, and by the time we have seen you and spoken with you and given you all the documentation that you may need, you will have a certain and specific idea exactly how you may proceed to the United States, and we will be able to help you. We have been doing this for the last 20 years. We have got hundreds and hundreds of very happy South African and of course other families from around the world who have helped with the immigration process and who are presently here with visas, green cards, become citizens, and so on. Typically during this trip we're looking for business owners, people who have businesses. So if you or your family has a business, we'll be very interested to talk to you, perhaps about setting up a branch or a subsidiary of that business in the United States. If you're a potential investor in the United States or want to invest in the United States to get yourself a green card, certainly we'll be able to help you to do that. And if you believe you have another qualifying basis, a qualifying employer, a qualifying US relative, anything like that, certainly we'll be able to help you. A couple of more guys are saying hello there. Hello Mazarul, how are you doing? Happy to help you, pleased to see you, and happy to answer any questions you can have. As we go along, by all means, please send on your questions. If you have any, send on any inquiries. Our contact information is our email address, info@usvisasandgreencards.com, and our local telephone number +1 561 347 8440. Again, I'll give that to you, info@usvisasandgreencards.com, and our local number +1 561 561-347-8447. I beg your pardon, 561-347-8440. Hello, Amir. Nice to see you've joined us. Looking forward to chatting to you. Again, we'll be looking for people who have businesses, who are investors, who have qualifying U.S. relatives, sponsors in the United States, anything like that. We'll be happy to see you. We'll be spending 1 day in Cape Town, 1 day in Durban, 3 days in Johannesburg. We'll have lots of time to spend with each of you, those that we pre-qualify. Typically, before we meet, we will make sure that we are not wasting your time and you are not wasting our time, so that when we meet with you, we can immediately get down to business. We also, as an ancillary point, have an office concierge that is able to help you to answer other questions, so that anything not specifically related to your visa, we can always answer as well. So we have people in the office who are able to help you. For example, how do I get a social security card? How do I get a US driver's license? Am I eligible to get medical insurance? Where do my kids go to school? Can they go to school? How much does school cost? Where should I go and live? One of the most frequent questions we receive is when people come in, they say, where should I go and live? Now, of course, people have got different criteria. People have families, friends. People have business contacts in different areas. There's different tax implications. So everything has pros and cons attached to it. 50 states is like 50 different countries. And of course, we'll be able to guide you to some extent with that. Some states have got tax advantages, and we'll be able to see how we go from there. Let me just see if there's any other guys that are writing. So people are saying, how can we contact you? As I've indicated, the easiest is simply to email us, info@usvisasandgreencards.com. And some people are saying, why is it so hard to get a US visitor's visa? That is from Sumeri. Sumeri, the answer is the consulate typically has a culture of no, generally speaking, because they consider many young people and single people, for that matter, to be a risk that they do not return to the United States. And what we can do is we can prepare a package for our clients to take with them to the consulate, which sets out all the prerequisite criteria that enables them to get themselves sorted out, and at least also has a power of attorney and a cover letter attached, so that the people at the consulate can see exactly that they have been represented, people like yourself, and we're able to deal directly with the consulate if we need to. So anything in relation to a tourist visa, a student visa, or any other difficulties that people are having at the consulate, of course we're able to help. As a side point, we also do all kinds of immigration here in the United States. We help with removal proceedings, and I'll be doing another video shortly relating to removal proceedings and deportation proceedings, available 24 hours for emergencies, people coming in at the airport, people being denied entry, anything like that. Certainly we're able to assist with and to help. We also get many questions from crewmen and from other people in the United States who want to come in as crewmen on boats, typically with B1, B2 visas, or with crewmen visas, anything like that. Certainly we're able to help, and we can assist you to do that. Some people are asking, how do they get a green card? Typically, a green card is obtained first by applying for a visa, which is either a work-based visa or a family-based visa, and you're able then to apply for a green card after that. So that's where we are at the moment. We're looking forward to receiving any further comments. Of course, this video also will be going out afterwards to everyone to view. We're looking forward to seeing you. We're looking forward to answering your questions. We're looking forward to meeting with you. Our previous trips to South Africa over all the years have been very successful, and we believe also that this will be. And we're looking forward to meeting you guys, to hearing from you, and to getting you guys sorted out as we go. Thanks very much for joining us, and we look forward to interacting with each and every one of you guys. Please remember to RSVP. usvisasandgreencards.com. And if you need to call us, please call us +1 561 347 8440. Looking forward to seeing you guys. Thanks very much.